Hi everybody, here we are back in the Zip Farm talking about drip emitters today. We already have a video on the pressure compensating drip emitters that you can find a link to below. This is the primary one that we use inside of the farm. But for some of you more residential purposes that you have a farm wall or an education rack perhaps, this is what you'll find in your system. It is an openable one that is a little bit, it's definitely easier to deal with for those sorts of systems because there's less filtration and you may end up with larger grit inside, causing the pressure compensating ones to clog more often. So these ones, you pull them out of your feed line, you unscrew them. Sometimes it's nice to have channel locks or vice grips to help break the seal if they're very tightly screwed together. You open it up, you find there's three pieces. The green end goes into your feed line, and there really isn't much to clean unless you have a large chunk of grit inside that center hole. Putting that aside, the other half, we've got a rubber disc membrane that covers the labyrinth of hard plastic in the bottom of the dripper. So generally where you need to clean out is grit that gets stuck inside that labyrinth. Sometimes you can use a toothpick if it's a larger, harder chunk and need to pop it out. Otherwise, I find that works really well is blow it out. Sometimes a little spritz of water helps. Sometimes soaking them in peroxide is good if you've got lots of dry salt in there. But once you're confident that it's well cleaned, then you're gonna replace your membrane back over the labyrinth. You're gonna screw the whole thing back shut again and replace it back into your plumbing line manifold and turn the pump back on and see if you've solved the problem. And that's pretty much how to clean a dripper. Thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions, let us know, and feel free to leave us comments down below. Until next time, thanks so much.